Hi, my name is Abby. Welcome to Quick Make Lunches on Cooking with Abby. For today's episode, we're going to be making smoked salmon bagel. We're going to start by prepping our cantaloupe for our fruit snack. We're going to cut it in half. We'll save the other half for later. And on the half we're going to use, we're going to take out all of the seeds and throw them out. Don't you love cantaloupe? Okay, now we're going to cut it into 2-centimeter slices. Make sure you don't cut your hand. Then we're going to cut off the skin. My dad does it this way and he's kind of crazy. You can cut it off any way you like, but this way is pretty efficient. Now you can cut them into small bite-sized pieces. We'll cut up the rest of the cantaloupe later. How about we add some grapes? For our vegetables, we're going to start with some cucumber. We like the skin on, but we understand that some people like it peeled. Let's add a few cherry tomatoes. Cherry tomatoes are easier than regular tomatoes because the juices don't go everywhere. And finally, a few carrots. Now we'll move on to some yogurt with blueberries. Remember, buy in bulk and put into a smaller container. Now for the star of our show, our bagel. We won't get into the New York-Montreal debate, but we all know Montreal bagels are the best. Or we can at least all agree that they're better than the buns with holes that you can get from the grocery store. We're going to cut it in half, add as much cream cheese as you'd like. Make sure you get full coverage. Now for some smoked salmon. Yum. Again, add as much as you like, or as little. No smoked salmon bagel would be complete without some capers. Adding a couple thinly sliced onions is also an option. Now for a few goldfish crackers. And there you have it, another lunch. Let's start packing up. There you have it, lunch number 3 in our series. Oh, and we added a granola bar to the mix as well. Stay tuned for more and make sure to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. And don't forget to visit cookingwithabby.com.